Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and we are back with another tips and tricks video. In today's brief video, we are going to discuss Inaba Denko America's condenser risers. These actually serve multiple purposes out in the field. It is a polymer resin. It's UV stabilized PVC, so it's fully weather resistant and can hold up to 350 pounds. Those combined with the adjustable 3/8 hex makes it very easy to match your fastening points on multiple outdoor units. This is going to keep the unit stable and prevent loosening due to vibration. Okay, because of the hollow design, this product can withstand outdoor temperatures upwards of 122 degrees. And that's why you'll most commonly see them used for condenser risers, but also for piping runs, for duct runs, or even cable chaseways. I would highly encourage you, as always, check out the full product offering at inabadenko-america.com. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. But as always, please follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn. We love to communicate with you. We love to keep you up to date what's going on in our industry and what might be new in your area. So stay in touch. We'll see you next time.